Guys, you have no idea how excited I am for this video. I'm so excited that I'm actually trying to make this the best video that I've ever done, which means we have a camera here, we have a camera here, and we have a camera right there. And I'm gonna put some effort for the first time in my life into it. Just kidding. But no, for the first time in a very long time into one of my YouTube videos. I'm used to just making these videos and just going so fast into them. And just editing quickly just to get it out to people. But today is a special day because today is the day that I have my hands, or I'm gonna have my hands, on a piece of equipment that I have been thinking about for quite a while. It is the Teenage Engineering CM-15 microphone, and it coupled with my camera, whether it's my iPhone 15 Pro Max that comes in tomorrow, or one of these other cameras that I'm using currently in here, is going to allow me to create some really good stuff. And I'm really excited about it. So enough of me talking about it. Let's actually get right to it. So what we have here is this box that I opened already because my address is on the tag on the outside, and I don't trust you guys. Sorry. Actually, here's my address some more. Let me put that away. And so let's get to it. Let's get to it, guys. So we have a tripod mini that's right in there. And we also have the product itself, which is right in here. So we're gonna put this box over there and we're gonna open these up, guys. Again, Teenage Engineering is my favorite company, as you probably know by now. And this is exciting to me. This is exciting getting your hands on a new product from them. And again, I'm always gonna say it, like, I don't take this stuff for granted at all. I am sometimes in awe. Like, I know I put effort into my stuff, but just to know that a company of their stature believes in me enough to send this to me is incredible. And so I'm going to do my best to, yeah, make the video entertaining. Hopefully you guys are entertained so far and genuine. And yeah, I'm feeling good about this. So maybe I'll turn the volume down on here because we have a little background noise from the radio there. I thought that would be cool. Maybe not on this video. I might want to experiment a little bit first, but I thought it would be kind of cool to like have the radio playing or have some music playing or something. Maybe my music on here. Perhaps when I get this and I'm using this and my voice and the radio are both being picked up equally, I think that would be really cool. So let's open the tripod mini up first and take a look at this. Yeah, you know what you're getting here. You're getting something that's just, it's Teenage Engineering. It's nice. It's stable. It looks nice. It brings a smile to my face as I'm opening it up and getting started. What is that bug in here? Get out of here. You know what I'm saying? Let me make sure we're recording up here still. Yep, everything is looking good up there. But yeah, it's super nice. I mean, it feels great. This piece comes off, and this probably, or does it? Let's see if it comes off. Maybe not. Okay, so let's set this up. Let's now open this up. Okay, we have the microphone, which we're going to take a look at second, and we have this accessory kit. So the accessory kit is right here. What comes in here? Let's find out together. So we're going to open this up, and you have a adapter of sort. Let's take everything out first, and then we'll kind of see what's what. So it's cool that it comes with an accessory kit first and foremost. Like, you have some things, you have a little bag for it, which we're going to talk about where I'm going to be storing mine momentarily. You have a mini XLR to XLR, absolutely, yep. And you have a USB-C cable, a nice quality USB-C cable. Let's open these up and kind of take a look at what they feel like, and take a look at what they feel like. That doesn't make sense. You know what I mean. Take a look at them and see how they feel, Kevin. All right, yeah. I sound like Home Alone, Kevin. All right, there we go. USB-C cable. Cool, we got that. We have this XLR situation, which is also something that's I'm really curious about. So the quality of this stuff, yeah, feels really good as expected, like brushed aluminum, I want to say, you know. I can show you and I can show you both cameras. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, check this out. So this is like a little coil here. That feels so interesting. So it's like a little spring that I guess, yeah, keeps it protected, right? When you bend it. Sure. Very cool. And this is some kind of adapter of sorts that does something. We're going to figure out what it is together. Now let's take the microphone out and let's give it a go. So I know you may have seen this on maybe other people's channels, perhaps, but dang, this feels nice. The TX6 and the TP7, I think. I think all three of them are all the same size, can all fit in this case, which is pretty cool. We're gonna definitely try that out. But man, oh man, CM-15, it feels kind of unreal holding it in my hand, honestly. Like, this is what it looks like. You got your ports on the bottom. You got your gain control on the back. Yeah, this is so cool. You have the little kickstand right here. Just feels great. You have your instructions, and I guess we're gonna go ahead and connect this straight away to the OP1 field. I mean, I was thinking about doing this in a separate video, but why bother? Let's get it going straight away. So we're gonna close this up. We're gonna put that to the side. We're gonna grab the USB-C cable that comes included. I'm gonna grab my headphones and my OP. Oh, here's the adapter. Okay, hang on. To mount, the mount for this. Okay, so we gotta figure this out, how this goes. We got to figure out how this goes. Is it on the side? Okay, so let's actually look at the manual. Figure out what that adapter is all about. So power on, care, hardware. All right, so we got to figure out, there's firmware updates possibly available too. So the tripod adapter also comes with a standard 1/4 inch, making it universally compatible with standard microphone stands and tripods. It fits perfectly with the tripod accessory. So mount the adapter by first loosening the thumb screw. Place it on the center bottom of the side mic and tighten until properly mounted. So this is like, you got to loosen this, and then we got to open this, and then we got to mount this on the bottom, like down here. It's so like precise. Jeez. Man, oh man, these guys know what they're doing. Yeah, like that's it. Hang on, I don't feel as good about that. One sec. There we go, like that. Yeah, okay. So now it's firmly mounted. We're gonna screw this on the tripod accessory. This is good stuff. Isn't this cool? Isn't this cool? This is good stuff, guys. Okay, so we have that. We also want to, I guess, let me see. So I'm wondering right off the bat. Okay, so I guess this is supposed to be able to, yeah, move a little bit. Cool, that makes sense. All right, let's grab the OP1 field. Like I said, USB-C cable. We're gonna connect and just give a immediate test of this thing and see how it sounds, and then go from there. All right, stand by. All right, so we have our OP1 field. We have some headphones. We're going to plug this in via USB-C to start. We're going to power it on. We're going to not even power this on. So as soon as I plug that in, that green LED comes on. Now, I'm trying to see which side is on and off. We'll find out. So let's go over here. I think it was on when it was that way. So we're going to flick it that way. Okay, test. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to put some headphones on, and you guys are going to see my response and reaction to hearing what my voice sounds like with this microphone for the first time. And I'm excited to do so. And then I'm going to record some of it to tape on here and do something with that as well, like so you guys can get a feel for what that sounds like. Matter of fact, let me get it started straight away. Let's load this tape. Okay, let's go here. Okay. Testing, mic check, 1, 2. That sounds so good. Test, mic check. Testing, mic check, 1, 2. Jeez, that sounds, that sounds so good, man. Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, so this is me talking into the microphone, and I am, as expected, blown away with how good the quality is. It just sounds so good. It sounds so good. Gee, yo, I can't. Okay, I gotta record this in so you guys can hear it. Testing, mic check. All right, so this is me talking into the CM-15 microphone, and I am utterly blown away at the quality of this. It sounds so immaculate, and I just think that this is going to be something special. Injecting this into my whole workflow here. Teenage Engineering, they are just a remarkable company. The engineers that work on this stuff, it's mind-blowing. All right, tape is running out. Guys, yeah, this is really something special. That's the only way to say it. My goodness. And there's really not any yeah, there's no real like settings on here that you need to worry about. You just plug it in and get started. I'm going to turn it off now. So now it's turned off and the LED is still on. So when you turn it back on straight away, let's see what this looks like here on the OP1 field. Right away it picks up. You have your gain controls on the back. Like you have, so I'm talking into the back and then I'm talking into the front. So the front sounds a lot clearer. You guys are just, yeah, I'm just really taken aback by this right now. Just, want to do a little experimenting. So yeah, this has a different sound and feel with the back versus this, as expected. If I do like half step gain. So for me, I'm thinking, let me see something. If I go here, so even half step gain sounds really good because you still have the ability to crank up the volume over here, the gain. And it doesn't sound like, the further you go back, of course it's gonna sound different, but like if you're like when I'm doing my podcasting or whatever, if I have this thing like this close to my face as I'm speaking, it just sounds crazy, amazing, clean, sharp. Man, oh man. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. You got gain control there. Yeah, wow. Guys, yeah, this is good stuff. Okay, so let's take these headphones off and let me actually show you something real quick too. So this is something that I got a while ago when I was doing like a review of all the different field cases that came out. And this was launched before the TT7 and the CM-15 were unveiled earlier this year. And people were like, what's the deal? There's 3. Is this for someone who wants 3 TX6 mixers. I don't know, maybe. Now we know what it's for. I'm not even putting this away yet because I still need to use this some more. But that was your first impressions, guys. It sounds absolutely remarkable. I believe, to my knowledge, actually we have this mic here as well. I believe that both of these were, like, this was like designed after this, I think. Like some of the capsule in it. Don't let me lie to you. I don't know all the specifics, but I do just know that, like, that there's something special here. So what I'm going to spend some time doing right now, okay, I'm going to just have the OP1 field and use my voice into the OP1 field and make some music that way with this clean quality. And yeah, I'm excited. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you're interested in some future content that I have coming up with this gear and some more really exciting things that I am working on related to teenage engineering. Some really good stuff in the works. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Peace. We're live over here. And we're live over here. All right, let me open this actually the right way here. Hang on. Guys, so I think this is a rotation thing. Let me see if I saw this correct. How do you do this again? Let's see. All right, guys. Oh, no. I think this thing rotates or something, I thought. Let's see. Okay. Button, no. Field, pack, design, and... Okay, how do you get this open here? This is a puzzle. It's a puzzle. This is a puzzle. How do we get this open? I thought it was like just rotate it. I'm gonna figure it out. Like, I'm keeping this in the video too, because I know I'm not the first person that was trying to figure this out. Jeez, how do you do it? Do I have to Google this on YouTube? Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna YouTube it to see how you open it, because I am really, truly, and utterly not sure how to do so. So let's say CM-15 unboxing. Dang, no one has. Okay, all right, I'm gonna have to figure this out. Unboxing and test. Okay, here we go. Wait, CM-15, there's a newer microphone called the CM-15 as well? Really? Teenage engineering. That wasn't the one I needed. There really isn't a lot of information about this. Choir unboxing. Okay. Oh, here we go. TP7 unboxing. I wonder if the TP7 comes in the same type of a... Here we go. Let's see.
Teenage engineering TP7. First off, this is the packaging, which can also be kept and used as a travel case. If we hinge it open, it reveals the instructions.
So it's just I'm just being too delicate with it, perhaps? Hang on. Hinge it open. Reveals something. So I think you have to... Oh, maybe like here? Oh, guys, I'm an idiot. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Got it.